Morning. At least one response I required. Good morning. After zoology class, the people are taking break. Hi. Good morning. So, everyone is good at home. Good morning. So today, no motivation, only just now started because Anurag sir just left. I'm good. How are you? Okay, so last class only discussion was there about the need, about the preparation, everything. Okay, so now we will start the basic mathematics. Okay, so I will teach the trigonometry because trigonometry we are using in like 4 or 5 chapter we are using trigonometry in oscillation, wave, EM wave, AC, all are important chapters. So that's why we have to know the basic of trigonometry. And later also when it is required, again we will recall everything. But whatever the notes you are making, you will keep that notes with you. Okay, when I will go, suppose I'm going to start the oscillation. So one day before I will say, just go through all the formula, what I said in the basic mathematics. Okay. Original track means what? Original track. That regular syllabus will start maybe the next week. Okay. So I think everybody has a basic idea about the angle. Like here I will discuss first plane angle. In the unit and dimension I will tell about what is a solid angle. So angle or the plane angle. So everybody know what is the angle. Okay. So angle mainly we deal with the 2 units. In up to the class 10th we were using what? Degree. But in the now we will use mainly radian. So I think everybody has the idea about the unit of a angle. I'm talking about the plane angle or angle. Okay, normally they will say angle. What is the unit of the angle? Earlier we have used the degree and we have used the radian also. So everybody know there is a 2 unit we are using here, degree and radian. Okay, degree and radian. But we have to, like sometime what happens, we will get the answer in degree but we required in the radian, or they have given in the radian, we required in the degree. So that's why we should know how to convert that degree into radian and radian into degree. Okay. So, suppose I am taking one circle, its radius is R, center is O. In that I am taking the one particular arc AB. I am taking arc AB, and that arc AB, I think everybody know the arc. What is the meaning of arc? Okay, that is a portion of the circle. I am taking the arc AB, and that AB is making an angle theta at the center. Okay. So what is the relation between the arc, angle and the radius? So that is a very important formula we are using very frequently in the physics. What is the relation between them? Angle is equal to arc upon radius. Angle is equal to arc upon radius. That is a very important formula we are using in the physics. Angle is equal to arc upon radius. What is an arc? Arc is basically length of that portion AB. Okay. And radius is also the basically length. So length upon length. So if I am asking the dimension, so dimension is not there, but we are representing the unit from this. We are representing the unit of the angle. When we are using the formula, angle is equal to arc upon radius. when we are when we are using angle is equal to arc upon radius, what is the unit of the angle you will get? What is the unit of the angle you will get? Unitless. Unitless. When we are using the formula angle is equal to arc upon radius, what is the unit of the angle we will use, or what is the unit of the angle we will get? Anybody? In 2022, that question they ask in the unit dimension. The quantity does not have dimension, but it has unit, and the option they given the angle and the solid angle. So angle does not have dimension. Okay, maybe I'm not talking about the dimension because maybe somebody knows, somebody don't know what is the dimension. So here I'm talking about the unit only. So here angle, when we are using the formula angle is equal to arc upon radius, angle is equal to arc upon radius, then unit of angle we will get radian, angle of unit we will get radian. Remember that we will not get a degree. Any calculation in our physics, we will never get the degree directly. Till they are not writing degree, then what is the unit of the angle we will take? Radian. Default unit of the angle we will take what? Radian. So when we are using the formula angle is equal to arc upon radius, then what is the unit of angle? Everybody got this? Okay. So from this, if we required what is the length of the arc, so length of the arc we can say what? Arc is equal to angle into radius. Okay. So if you required what is the length of the arc, then a length of the arc we can find by using the formula angle into radius. In this formula, what is the unit of the angle we will use? Radian. Okay. What I said, rarely we will use the degree, till in the option they have given the angle in the degree, or in the question also directly they have given degree. If nothing has written, then what is the unit of angle? Radian. Okay. Like suppose I am saying any angle, I am saying angle theta. Suppose I gave any question and in that I gave it is making an angle theta. It is making an angle theta. What is the unit of that angle theta? What is the unit of that angle theta you will take? Radian. You will take radian. Here I have not mentioned what is the unit. I am only saying any two line they are making an angle theta. I have not given any unit. So what is the unit of the angle we will take? Radian. If I want in degree, I will write theta degree. If I will give this, then I will write theta degree. Then we will take directly degree. Otherwise, unit not given, then what is the default unit you will take? Radian. Okay. Up to this, okay? Now, complete angle. Complete angle means everybody know complete angle. In degree, you know what is a complete angle. In degree, what is the magnitude of the angle? In the unit of degree, complete angle in the unit of degree, what is the value? 360. Everybody know? Okay. So, complete angle is a 360 degree. Okay. Now complete angle means that is a circle, you can say. Arc is what? Whole circle. Arc is what? Whole circle. Means complete angle, then arc length you will take whole circle. What is the circumference of the circle? Steradian, what I said, steradian I will discuss later. That is a unit of the solid angle. Solid angle I will discuss in a unit dimension chapter. Okay. But here for the basic mathematics, for the trigonometry, we mainly require the plane angle. Okay. So now, in the degree, what is the complete angle we have? 360 degree. Now I'm asking, when we have the complete angle means complete circle. So what is the arc length you will take? Like I'm saying the complete angle, then what is the arc length you will take? Arc length you will take circumference. Arc length you will take circumference. And what is the circumference of the circle? Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So when I am talking about the complete angle, then complete angle arc length you will take what? 2 pi r. Okay. Then We have the formula what? Angle is equal to arc upon radius. When I am using that formula, angle is equal to arc upon radius. When I am using that formula, so unit of angle I will get in radian. Okay. So for complete angle, arc length is what? 2 pi r. That is the circumference. Okay. Arc is the 2 pi r. Upon radius. What is the radius? Radius we are taking the r. Then r and r cancel out. What we got? 2 pi. Okay. And that 2 pi is in which unit? Radian. So this 2 pi is in the radian. So one relation we got. 360 degree is the complete angle and 2 pi radian is the complete angle. Then what is the relation between them? Then we can say what? 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Then from this I can say pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Maybe this relation you know. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So this is the conversion relation that if suppose we require to convert the degree into radian or radian into degree, this relation we can use. What? Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Otherwise you can remember 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. Are nalayek. Solid angle, what I am saying? Solid angle I will discuss in the unit dimension chapter. Solid angle I don't require in the basic mathematics here. Okay, so solid angle we will discuss in the unit dimension. So what is the relation we got? Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Understood? Okay. Now we will convert some degree into radian and radian into degree. So one question I am giving. So you have to convert 120 degree into the radian and 36 degree into the radian. You have to convert 120 degree into the radian and 36 degree into the radian. Okay. So I will say the one shortcut also later. First, if I am going through the process, what we will do, if you want to convert degree into radian, so first we will write degree and then we will like we know the relation pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So when we want to convert that degree into radian, first we will write degree, then we will write radian. So what I am saying here, we know that 180 degree is equal to what? Pi radian. 180 degree is equal to what? Pi radian. Okay. Now in the class 4th, teacher said the unitary method. Means you know for 180 degree. Suppose you know for more and you need for 1. You need for know for more and you need for 1. Then we divide. Okay. So like 180 degree I know it is a pi radian. So if I am asking 1 degree is equal to how much radian? 1 degree is equal to how much radian? Like suppose I am saying price of 5 banana is the 25 rupees. What is the price of 1 banana? Then you will say 25 by 5. Na? So when you know for more, you need for 1, you will divide. So 180 degree is the pi radian. So 1 degree is equal to what? Pi by 180 radian. This is the conversion factor we got. Okay. So 1 degree I got pi by 180. Now for the 1 degree I know. And I am asking for 60 degree. Now I know for 1 and I need for more. I know for 1 degree I know, I need for 60 degree. So when I know for 1, we need for more, then we multiply. Then what we will do? 60 degree is equal to 60 into pi by 180. Then what we got? Pi by 3 radian. 60 I gave or 120? 120 I gave. Then 120 degree is equal to what? 120 into pi by 180. 0, 0, then this is a 2, this is a 3, then what we got? 2 pi by 3 radian. Okay. Everybody got? So 120 degree we can write as a 2 pi by 3 radian. This is the procedure. By this we can convert the degree into the radian. Okay. Now what is the second one? Second one, tell fast, what is the answer? Now I gave 36 degree. Now directly I know 36 degree I am asking. So for the 1 degree what I got? For 1 degree I got pi by 180. So for 36 what I will do? 36 into pi by 180. Then what you got? Pi by 5 radian. Okay, so 36 degree what we can say? Pi by 5 radian. First we are going through the process how to find convert the degree. Then I will say later that you have to remember the multiplication factor. By that you can do fast. Okay. Everybody got? Okay. Now 2 questions you will do for radian to degree. Tell fast. What is the answer? You have to convert into the degree. I gave 5 pi by 6 radian and 0.5 radian. You have to convert into the degree. (150 degree). Okay, good. 150 pi by 360. 5 pi by 6. What is the problem in 5 pi by 6? 150. So first one everybody got 60 degree. 150. Okay, so answer is the 150. So 5 pi by 6. Again, first I am saying the procedure. Okay. So here I want to convert the radian into degree. I want to convert the radian into degree. Radian into degree. So first I will write radian, then I will write degree. Then what is the relation I will use? Pi radian. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Because I want to convert the radian into degree, that's why I write the radian first. So pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Then I know for pi I need for 1 suppose. So if I need for 1, then 1 radian, what I can say? 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. So 1 radian, what I got? 180 by pi. There I got pi by 180. But here I got 1 radian is the 180 by pi degree. Okay, this is the multiplication factor. Now 1 radian I got for, I need for 5 pi by 6. So 5 pi by 6 radian is equal to 180 by pi into 5 pi by 6. Okay, now pi and pi cancel out. 6 3s are 18. Then what we got? 150 degree. Then 5 pi by 6 is equal to 150 degree. Everybody got? First, that is a procedure that suppose you forget everything how to convert. So this relation you have to remember. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. If you are going from degree to radian, first write the degree. Then for 1 you will write. Then whatever they are asking, according to that you can find. Okay. Now second one, somebody is saying 90. If 0.5 is a 90, then what is a pi by 2? I have not given the pi by 2. I have not given 1 pi. I have only given 0.5. 0.5 means 1 by 2 I have given. I have not given pi by 2. So who is saying the answer 90? They have to check again. So second, what I am saying? Second, I want to convert 0.5 radian I gave. Okay, 0.5 radian. So 1 radian, what I got? 180 by pi. This relation. 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi. Now I need for 0.5. So what I will do for the 0.5 radian, that is equal to what? 0.5. And for 1 radian, what is the multiplication factor I have? 180 by pi. Okay. Now 0.5 into 180, what I will get? 90. So 90 by 5 degree, not 90. It is a 90 by pi degree. Who is saying 90? They understood or not? If I am saying pi by 2, then answer is the 90 degree. But I gave only 1 by 2. I have not given pi by 2. That's why answer is what? 90 by pi degree. Okay. Are you understood or not? Okay. Now, this procedure, this 2-3 line we will not write in the exam because we have to convert the fast from degree to radian if it is required. Okay. So what we will do? So first, who will say, if I am asking pi is more or 180 is more? 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 Okay. So 4 answer, 3 answer I got pi is more. Okay. 4, 5 answer I am getting equal. Okay. So suppose I am offering you, I will give pi 1,000 rupees to you. I will give pi 1,000 rupees to you. And second offer I have, I will give 180,000 rupees to you. One option, one offer I am giving, I will give pi 1,000 rupees to you. And second offer I am giving, I will give 180,000 rupees to you. Which you will take? If I am offering pi 1,000 rupees I am offering, and I am offering 180,000 rupees. Which offer you will take? Anyone? Both? Anyone you can take. Okay. So if I am saying, now listen, pi and 180. Pi value is what? 22 by 7, like 3.14. Pi value is the 3.14. Whenever we are using the pi number, pi, then we are writing as a 3.14 or 22 by 7. Okay. And 180 is a 180. Now 3.14 and 180. Who is more? 3.14 and 180. Which number is more? 180, na? So who is saying the equal? If I am saying pi radian, unit matters. If I am saying pi radian, then you will say, sir, it is a 180 degree. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. But pi is not equal to 180. Pi is the pi, 180 is the 180. Pi is the 3.14 and 180 is the 180. Who is more? 180 is more. Everybody getting or not? So pi and 180 is not equal. Pi and 180 is not equal. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. That is the relation. Everybody getting or not? So wherever you are seeing the pi, don't put the 180 because sir said the pi is equal to 180. I have not said pi is equal to 180. I said pi radian is equal to 180 degree. They are not same. Pi and 180 is not same. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. If I am saying pi radian, then you will say, sir, it is a 180 degree. Understood? Okay. So now, this, everybody clear? Means unit matters. That's why there is an importance of the unit in a whole physics. Okay. So pi radian is equal to 180 degree, I can say. Pi radian. When I'm using the unit, then I can use the relation pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Without the unit, pi is lesser, 180 is more. If I'm saying pi and 180, compare, then who is more? Pi value is the 3.14 and 180 is the 180. Who is more? 180 is more. Okay. Sarath, understood or not? Sarath? Okay. Now, everybody clear? Now, this relation, forget about the unit. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree I have written. Forget the unit. Pi and 180. Just focus on the magnitude only. Magnitude only pi and 180. So everybody know 180 is more. So when we are converting the radian into degree. So radian magnitude is what? Pi. Degree magnitude is what? 180. Now, which magnitude is more? 180 magnitude. I'm not talking about the unit. I'm just focusing on the magnitude. Pi radian is the 180. Now, pi is the 3.14. 180 is the 180. So, in which unit magnitude is more? In which unit magnitude is more? In degree. In degree we are getting 180. In radian we have taken what? Pi. So when we are going from radian to degree, then magnitude will increase. Magnitude of the angle will be more. Magnitude of angle will be more. Again, I am repeating, when we are going from radian to degree, magnitude of angle will be more. Okay. So multiplication factor is the 180 by pi. Why I am saying this? Because students get confused between 180 by pi and pi by 180. Okay, now I am saying the shortcut that how to remember. So when you are going from radian to degree, so degree magnitude will be more. So we will multiply with 180 by pi. We will multiply with 180 by pi because 180 by pi is more. No? When we are going from degree to radian, so degree to radian magnitude is small. Then we will multiply with pi by 180. So that multiplication, two terms are there, pi and 180. When we are going from the degree to radian to degree, magnitude will increase. We will multiply with 180 by pi. And when we are going from the degree to radian, magnitude will decrease. Then we will multiply with pi by 180. So all this procedure we will not do in the exam because we will not have that much of time. Okay. So when we have the angle in the degree or radian and we want to convert, so by the multiplication factor we will do fast. If you are getting, if you remember very good, if you are getting confused, you can think degree magnitude will be more. That's why multiplication factor is the 180 by pi. Okay. Otherwise this procedure is also there. Understood? It means what? When we are going from the radian to degree, then multiply 180 by pi. And when we are going from degree to radian, then multiply pi by 180. Understood? Okay. Now, one or two examples you will do by using this directly multiplication factor. You will say fast, okay? Tell fast. Convert into the degree. I gave the 0.2 radian. What is the value in that degree? Tell fast. If I gave 0.2 radian, convert fast. What is the value in the degree? 0.2 radian. What is the value in the degree? Are fast. Radian to degree you have to convert. What you will multiply? Radian to degree you will multiply with 180 by pi. So directly we can do what? No need to do all this. That is step 0.2 into 180 by pi. Now this become what? 36 by pi degree. Okay. Okay. Now I think everybody got. Okay. Tell fast. 2 degree is equal to how much radian? 2 degree you have to convert into the radian. Two degree you have to convert into the radian. So degree to radian, magnitude will decrease. So multiplication factor pi by 180. Then 2 into pi by 180. So what we will get? Pi by 90 radian. Now everybody got how to convert the degree into radian and radian into degree. Okay. Again, in when it is required, again I will recall all these steps in the throughout the year. Okay. Okay. Now one small question you will say. Okay, so which calculation? So here suppose I have the one pizza of the mass capital M. Okay, now from that pizza I am cutting the one slice, that is a shaded. That slice is making an angle 36 degree. Okay, I have the one complete pizza. Okay, and it's that pizza mass is M. Now I am cutting the slice that is making an angle 36 degree. So what is the mass of that slice? What is the mass of that slice? Listen the question what I am saying. Here now conversion over. Now somebody is still giving the answer of that question. Now here new question what I am saying here. Suppose I have the one pizza of the mass M. Okay, from that pizza I am cutting the one slice that is making an angle 36 degree. What is the mass of that slice? M by 36 pi by 5. That conversion is over now. Okay, pi. I am not asking what is the angle 36 degrees is equal to radian. I am not asking the convert the 36 degree into radian. Listen the question. What I am saying, I have one pizza. Everybody know what is the shape of the pizza. It is a circular, okay, like a disc. So mass of the pizza, complete pizza I gave M. Now I am cutting the one slice of the that is making an angle 36 degree. What is the mass of that slice? Are nalayak. Now listen, this type of problem situation we get in the center of mass problem, in the moment of inertia, when they are asking, they are removing some part from the disk. Okay, so we can go to the unitary method. So complete pizza means what is a complete circle, what is the angle? Here no need to convert from degree to radian, we can go to the degree only. Here not required. I am not saying what is 36 degrees equal to how much radian. I am not asking that. I am just asking what is the mass of that slice. Okay. So when we have the complete pizza mass I know M. Okay. So complete pizza mass is M. So what is the complete angle? 360 degree. Because here they have given the data in the degree. I will directly use in degree. Okay. So 360. Complete pizza means 360 degree. 360 degree. What is the mass? 360 degree mass is the M. 360 degree mass is the M. So I can say here 360 degree mass is equal to what? M. So for the complete pizza mass I gave M. Okay. Now I know for the 360 degree unitary method we will go. 360 degree mass I know M. Then 1 degree what is the mass? Then 1 degree mass I can say 1 degree mass is equal to what? M by 360. Here why we have to convert the degree into radian unnecessary when I know complete angle in the degree also. So I will directly use the degree unit. So 360 degree mass is M. So 1 degree what is the mass? M by 360. Now how much degree angle I need mass? 36 degree I need mass. 36 degree I need mass. Then I know for 1 I need for 36 degree. So 36 degree mass is equal to what? M by 360 into 36. Now how much I got? M by 10. So what is the mass of that slice? M by 10. Arey nalayak. Suppose you are making the slices. How many slices you can make? 10 slices you can make like this. 36 degree, 36 degree, 36 degree, 36 degree, 36 degree. 10 slices will make the 360. 10 slices will make the 360. So total 10 slices mass is M. So one slice mass is what? M by 10. Okay. Everybody got? Okay. If I gave in the radian, suppose I gave this this angle is the in radian like pi by 10 or pi by 5, whatever I gave. So if I gave in the radian, then I will use 2 pi. 2 pi radian mass is what? M. Then according to that we can convert. But here I gave in degree, so that's why directly I use in degree. Understood? If I gave this angle in the place of 36 degree, I gave the pi. Suppose pi by 5. That slice is making an angle pi by 5. What is the mass of that slice? So I will write 2 pi radian mass is m. So one radian mass is m by 2 pi. So this radian mass is this. Then we can go same procedure, only in the place of degree we will use the radian. Okay. Now next problem. Suppose I am saying any particle is moving in a circle. Any particle is moving in a circle. Okay. And circle radius I gave r. Any particle is moving in a circle and the circle radius I gave r. Particle got displaced from A to B. Particle displaced from A to, particle is moved from A to B. Okay. How much distance the particle traveled? Distance traveled by the particle when it goes from A to B. Angle AB arc I gave the 60 degree. Okay. Distance moved by particle. Distance moved by particle when it moves from A to B if the radius of the circle I gave r. Tell fast. So distance and displacement, all concept you will learn in the motion in a 1D. But I think everybody has know what is the distance meaning. Distance is the path length. Okay. So what is the path length of the path traveled by the particle? That is called the distance. Okay. Later you will learn in the motion in 1D. I'm just asking because how to use the formula arc and angle relation. Angle is equal to arc upon radius. So one answer I'm getting 60R, 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 5 by 3R, 60R, 60R. Okay. So just 10-15 minutes back, I said when we are using the formula angle is equal to arc upon radius, arc is equal to angle into radius, then default or what is the unit of the angle we will have? Unit of the angle we will have the radian. Okay. But here this angle I gave in degree. So if we are using the formula angle is equal to arc upon radius or arc is equal to angle into radius, then which unit we have to use? We have to use the radian, because what I said, default unit is the radian. When you are using the formula angle is equal to arc upon radius, which unit you will get? Radian. So now 60 directly you said, 60R you said, okay. But this 60 is the degree. Degree I mentioned, I have not written there is a radian. So this is a 60 degree. So degree I cannot use for that formula. So first this 60 degree I have to convert into the radian. Everybody getting or not? So first 60 degree is equal to how much radian? 60 degree, how much radian? Now conversion factor, degree to radian, degree to radian. Degree to radian, magnitude will decrease. So pi by 180 we will multiply. So now 0, 0 cancel out. That we got what? Pi by 3. So 60 degree is equal to pi by 3 radian. Now I got the angle in the radian. I got the angle in the radian. After getting the angle in the radian, now I can use a formula distance. Distance means what? Basically it is a arc length A to B. Distance is the arc length A to B. Arc is equal to what? Angle into radius. Arc is equal to angle into radius. Now distance AB, distance is equal to what? Arc AB. Okay. Now arc formula we know, angle into radius. That is equal to what? Angle into radius. Now what is the angle? Pi by 3. What is the radius? R. So what is the answer you got? Pi R by 3. Everybody got? So when we are using the formula, angle is equal to arc upon radius, arc is equal to angle into radius. So which unit we have to use, or which unit you will get after solving? Radian. Okay, so means rarely we will use in a whole physics degree. Okay, most of the time every formula everywhere, wherever the theta is written, only theta is written. What is the unit of theta? Radian. Okay. Completed. So this is a basic, like how to convert the degree radian. You will make the some question by own, like any angle you can take in degree, any angle you can take in radian, and convert for the practice. Okay, no need to solve more because when you have the time, you have to read the bio. Because right now we are not teaching more in the physics. Regular syllabus will start, so you have to practice more from the module or whatever the material you have. But right now you have the time, so you can give more time to the bio. Okay, bio NCERT you can read. Okay, so if after completing all the class notes and whatever we are teaching, then you can, if the time is there, you can read the bio. Okay. Now I have to start the sine theta cos theta trigonometric ratios, but I think time is, next class is the Divya ma'am class. Any other doubt anybody has, then you can ask. Yeah, this is the track 2 physics. So by this mathematics you got, you realize that physics is tough, or you are saying that normally that physics is tough? Madhavi, not the trigonometry, it is a trigonometry. Madhavi, why physics is tough? What is the problem? Why you people think that physics is tough? Because you have never read the physics with the proper concept. You always try to mug up the physics, always you try to mug up the formula in the physics. Physics is not, if you involve, you start thinking, so you will enjoy the physics also. And only the fear, that first fear you have to remove. Okay, means this is a subject that will develop your mental ability, that how, like, and physics, the people think that physics is not important for the medical science. We are using the physics also. So many doctors I have seen, they are using the physics, so much physics in during the treatment also. NCERT, this again I'm theory question for mechanics. You will get in our test and all you will get. Okay, after that, suppose what I'm saying, when the regular syllabus will start and you have the time after that, suppose you completed your whole module and everything, after that also you require some more practice, then you can ask. Otherwise in a whole year you will not get the time to solve the more, because we will provide the test paper, we will give the like module you will have. Okay, last year like PYQs you have, it is a more than enough. Okay, more you want to do, then you can go to the JEE Main, some JEE Main, but not JEE Main completely, because JEE Main is mathematical, more mathematical. That much of mathematics we don't require in the NEET. Okay. Second doubt the people have, the NCERT reading. Suppose I am saying for the long-term student, if I am saying read the NCERT, that is easy for me. I will say the read NCERT. But physics 4 NCERT, okay, physics 4, chemistry 4, bio 2. So 10 NCERT you can complete in a whole year, 1 year, not 1 year even, 10 months. It is impossible. If earlier you have read, then it is good. But if you have not touched, then why you will read the NCERT? Because that much of time you will not have. So me and Akhilesh sir, maybe Akhilesh sir also, he said, in physics, you don't have to even open the NCERT. Later, if it is required, we will, in the marathon class or some, we will say what some points. But most of the theoretical thing, all that numerical problem, we will cover in the class. That's why I said in the first day, class is very important. So for NCERT, suppose physics you are reading. So 1 page of the NCERT you read. Maybe after reading, you will not understand anything. One thing. Maybe after that one page you read, one page will take at least half an hour, and after that you realize I have not got anything. So why unnecessary we have to waste the time to read the NCERT? So from the NCERT, everything what is the important thing and where they can make the question, all that type of question we will give in the test paper also. Okay, everybody getting or not? So if anything is we are leaving in the class, that we will give in the test paper. So everything we will try to cover. Okay, so saying very easy that read the NCERT, but it is a very difficult for you because that much of time you don't have. So in physics, no need to go through the NCERT, and all the numerical what they are given in the NCERT, that data is very long, like data is complicated. When you are going through the data and you are solving, it will take so much time for the calculation also, but that calculation will not come in the NEET. So similar question we will discuss in the class with the simple data. Okay, so same concept of the NCERT problem, numerical problem, we will discuss in the class, but with the simple data that they can ask in the NEET. Everybody getting or not? So now whole year nobody will ask that, sir, we have to read the NCERT. Any particular chapter, one or two chapter it is required, then we will say. But I think neither me nor the classer will say. Okay. Okay then. Enjoy a few days, less burden you have, no weekend exam you have. After that, you will have so much work, and then you will involve. Okay, so it was 1 or max 1 week. Okay, you can relax. No, we don't know. Maybe Pedamaluru, I don't know. Pedamaluru, we will not come. That depends. Anything is not certain now. Alternate day, that will be alternate. One day track 1, one day track 2. So one, like which day track 1 you are that. So you have to practice the track 1, track 2, which like track 2 is going, then you have to do the track 2. And one more thing, track 1, track 2, like track 1, like mechanics is going on. Mechanics, the people feel the more interesting. Mechanics is the interesting. Here I will suppose teach the heat and thermodynamics. So thermal expansion, all the people find it is a boring. Okay. So what the people do, which they are finding interesting, they are practicing more. But ultimately, NEET will like we have to get the selection. So we have to learn everything. Okay, we have to not decide the topic on the basis of the boring and interesting. So getting my point or not? So one track like it is going interesting, one track it is going boring. So we will ignore the one track. Don't do this because track 2 is a very boring. Okay, so this you will not do. In which chapter you are weak, you have to practice more. Which chapter you are good, then you can give the less time. But in which like most of the track 2 chapter, ray optics, wave optics, thermal expansion, semiconductor, the people are facing the difficulties, wave, so they are ignoring. So don't do this. This I am saying in the beginning. Okay. Okay then, bye bye. ऐसा करके ही now she is realizing she has means she was not doing the track 2, that's why she joined the LT. Very good. So that's that I am saying, na, means we are just reading that thing which we are enjoying. It is not good. Botany we are leaving because zoologies are interesting. So this you should not do. Then AIMS, if the Ganguru is filled, then AIMS will then you have to take the admission in the Penamaluru. Okay then. Okay, bye bye.